Today is a very special day. It's Father's Day, and I'm going to be sharing a wonderful creamy cinnamon rice pudding recipe using this Taj everyday Basmati rice that I'm sure your dad would love. Let's do this. I have already greased my baking dish, and I'm just going to add my rice, my ground cinnamon, and my chopped up dates to the baking dish. To my saucepan, I'm going to boil my milk, sugar, and vanilla extract on medium heat. Now that my milk mixture has begun boiling, I'm going to pour it into my rice. So I'm going to stir it to make sure it's evenly combined. And I'm going to cover this and bake it in a 180-degree oven for an hour, stirring every 20 minutes. My rice pudding has been baking for an hour now, and I've been stirring it every 20 minutes, and now I'm up to the final step. And here it is, my wonderfully creamy cinnamon and date rice pudding using this Taj everyday Basmati rice. It is something your dad would love, so get cooking.